Hi, my name is Aria Goodrich, Peer Writing Tutor. This video will demonstrate how to locate the Learning Online Bootcamp, whether or not you are already enrolled. Start at the Middlesex Community College homepage, middlesex.mass.edu, and click on My MCC to log into your account. Type your A number into the first box, and your password in the second box. If you've forgotten your username or password, if you want to change your password, or if you need to look up your account, just click any of these links. Then click Sign In. Once you're in your MyMCC portal, click on Blackboard. And once you're in Blackboard, you'll need to click on Organizations in the menu. Now, if you're already enrolled in the bootcamp, you'll see it here. But if you are not enrolled, you'll need to click Organization Catalog, which is essentially a list of all the organizations in the college. And then just search the title, so search Learning Online Bootcamp, and click Go. Then you can click on the title of the bootcamp to enter it. And scroll down to the bottom, click the green Enroll button, click Submit, and click OK. So now you are enrolled in the ACE Online Bootcamp. You will initially see the announcement section, where you can watch a video to learn about how the bootcamp is structured. And then you can go to Start Here, which will give you a little more in-depth overview of the course. You may also need to enroll in the sample online courses. And to do that, just follow the same process. Click the green Enroll button at the bottom of the menu, click Submit, and click OK. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't hesitate to contact ACE at middlesex.mass.edu if you have any questions.